I was going to start by showing you guys the sprig of grass that I pulled in the spring that was growing in the trim of the trailer. I noticed had grown back with a vengeance. Oh, this crazy place. I miss the desert. But yeah, thought I'd show you guys a little more than I did last time. This is where we're keeping the trailer alongside the main cuts. So yeah, before, if you take it apart and don't do anything, and then after. So yeah, you can tell where we cut the grass back the first time, and then we trimmed it again today. It's hard to keep up with it. We're not keeping up with it. That's part of the problem. But what can you do? We're learning. That's what we're doing. It's impossible to keep up with. As you can see, the greenhouse is doing okay. Some really pretty zinnias taken off, even though they're stuck in their mid-sized pots. Same with some of these peppers and tomatoes. Definitely ready for a bigger space. Some of this stuff isn't really making it. We won't dwell on that. Some of these tomatoes, though, look how big that stalk is. That's crazy. Yeah, it's insane. We've got cucumbers mixed in. All kinds of varieties going on, mostly National Pickling. There's Legend tomatoes, there's zinnias, these are little leaf cucumbers all across the front here. Spent a lot of time trimming this up. I believe these are beefsteak. Yeah, look at that. Growing a couple of beefsteaks. Tons of blooms. Trying to give them a little shake. Gentle but firm. Make sure they get pollinated. More cucumbers, more tomatoes. This bed got replanted. Had too much straw, not enough soil. It wasn't soaking up this moisture. Got forget the variety. Look, Sterling 8, I believe. Cucumbers, National Pickling, Cracker Jack marigolds, potatoes. I think all the potatoes are the Peruvian purple. I think these are cherry tomatoes. Got quite a bit of fruit setting. If you can see that. It's all still really green. Quite a bit of it. More National Pickling. Might be getting a little hot in here. Some of these seem to be struggling a little with this yellowing of the fruit. Not sure why. These are more cherries, but they were planted a little later. And I believe these are more Peruvian purple potatoes. And they're starting to bloom. How pretty is that? Cabbages and cauliflowers. It finally got hot, so they bolted just in this last week. Tom was out here last week and saw them like this, and now this week they're like this. So we're gonna cut those, harvest them, pull them out, probably put something new next week. Look how big they got though. I might just replace them with more cauliflower. Very excited that that was almost a success. These are Brussels sprouts and lettuce. And there's some peppers up front here that are struggling a little. Tomatoes across the back that are new since the mustard started bolting, aka flowering. I'm hoping to get some seeds from that. But if you look at this pepper, obviously something was eating it. Zach just finished putting together these beds. Thank you, Zach, for all the hard work. We harvested a whole grocery sack full of cucumbers. Very exciting. All national pickling. I'm going to just show you that real quick. All different colors. Anyway, can't wait to show you next time.